Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss the Cue Card from January to April 2025 speaking topics. At IELTS with Pri and Aman, we discuss all the Cue Cards. To know more about our online classes, please contact on the number given on the screen. So the Cue Card is: describe an important event that you celebrated. You should say what the event was, when it happened, who attended the event, and explain how you felt about the event. Well, important events are milestones that shape our lives and contribute to our personal growth. They can include weddings, graduation, and significant achievements that mark and celebrate accomplishments. Now let's pause for a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you're stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order now on Amazon. Link is in the description below. Now let's continue. Like last year, one of the most important events I celebrated was the wedding of my best friend Harry. This joyous occasion took place in October 2024, and it was a day filled with happiness and celebration. Joyous means happy. The wedding was a significant milestone, not just for my best friend, but for all of us who have known each other since school. It was a time to come together and celebrate the bond of friendship that has endured over the years. Endured means continued. All my school friends attended the event, which made it even more special. We had the opportunity to reminiscence. Reminiscence means remember about old times, share laughter, and create new memories. I felt incredibly elated. Elated means happy to be part of this special day. Seeing my best friend so happy and starting a new chapter in their life was truly heartwarming. Heartwarming means happy. The atmosphere was filled with love and joy, and it was a reminder of the importance of friendship and the support we provide to each other. The wedding was beautifully organized with every detail reflecting the couple's personalities and the love they share. Overall, it was an unforgettable experience that brought us all closer together, and I am grateful to have been a part of it. So, this was the cue card. Describe an important event that you celebrated. I hope you liked this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.